2, 3, 4, 5. Right side, side of your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tight right, so right jab, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now drop your leg down. Right hand over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right side. Right side. Right. Lock your finger. Come on. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaste and twist. Yeah, namaste and twist. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How guys? Chân trái đá sau cái back leg pose. Push this strip on leg pose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop your knees. Yes. Chest chin. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep ball. Cobra. Reduction. Down in my leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thousand. One leg. Swan. Downward facing dog. 1 by 1. Hip up down. Move high. Back. Move. Now side. By down. Same. Right leg up. Chan high leg. Chan. Right leg front. Chan high leg two. And chan. Straight down. Yeah. Chan. Great. If you cannot, just fold your leg. If possible, chan. High thigh leg. Just fold your leg. Now, fold your leg. Yeah, fold. High thigh leg. Yeah, one. Very good, easy. High thigh leg. Raise your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh soon. Straight down. Thang thigh. Dal soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now fold your left leg. Chai. Fold. Catch your ankle. No problem. Yeah, catch your ankle. Come to pigeon pose. Yeah, come on, try. Pigeon pose. 1, 2, easy. Very good. 3, 4, and 5. Nice. High thigh swan. Thang thigh down soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your both arm down. Right leg back. Chanpadasa. Downward facing dog. Mamle Dal Swan. Stay for another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Inhale. Left leg up. Same. Left leg front. Thang chang. Straight down. Thang chang. High thigh line. Raise your both hand up. Yeah. 1, 4, and 5. Thang chang. Thang thigh. High thigh swang. Both hand down. As much as possible you can down. Straight down. Nice. Stay for another 5. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Right leg fold. Fold your right leg and come to the pigeon pose. Yeah. Come on. A possible high thigh, back side, both hand back side. Very good, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. High thigh swung. Both hand front side, straight down. Yeah. Try to relax your hip joint. Relax your upper part of the body. Just relax. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg back. Chang Chai Ra Sao. High thigh swung. Come to downward facing dog. 1. Now one by one, heel up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your knees and come to the child pose. Relax your back and relax your whole body. Just try to relax.